let me turn to some breaking news that's coming in, where an FIR has now been filed in the suicide case of an assistant sub-inspector of police that has created such a stir in Haryana. The FIR filed now also against Puran Kumar's wife and 3 others. Remember, Puran Kumar is the IPS officer who had alleged caste harassment and discrimination in his suicide note. 2 officers, remember, in Haryana have committed suicide. 1 an ASI and 1 was an IPS officer. On October 14, ASI Sandeep Kumar, who was investigating corruption allegations against Puran Kumar, allegedly shot himself, leaving a note and a video accusing Kumar and his family of bribery, extortion, and even sexual harassment of women officers. Clearly, therefore, 2 suicides, less than a week, a Dalit IPS officer, now an ASI. What began as an allegation of caste bias is now spiraling into explosive charges of corruption and even a possible cover-up at the highest levels of the Haryana police. This could turn out to be an explosive political story. Take a look.
Over a week after Dalit IPS officer Y. Puran Kumar shot himself dead, allegedly over caste-based discrimination, his family on Wednesday agreed to a post-mortem. The last rites were held in the evening. Puran Kumar's wife, IAS officer Amneet P. Kumar, in a statement said she had agreed to the autopsy in view of the assurance given by the Chandigarh UT police that it will conduct an impartial investigation. She also mentioned the commitment conveyed by the Haryana government to take appropriate action against any erring officials. The police had moved the local court on Tuesday for conducting the autopsy as the family refused to hand over the body. Sources close to ADGP Puran Kumar have revealed what happened in the days prior to his alleged suicide. On September 29th, Puran Kumar was transferred from his post as IG Rohtak Range to Sunaria Police Training College. The unexpected order is believed to have upset him. He relinquished charge as IG on September 30th and went on leave for a week. On October 1st, while travelling from Rohtak to Chandigarh in his private car with his personal security officer Sushil Kumar, a Rohtak police team stopped his vehicle. The team detained the PSO without showing any FIR or legal warrant. Before being taken into custody, the PSO left his service revolver in the car, which was allegedly used by Puran Kumar to end his life. The IPS officer called then DGP Shatrujit Kapoor and then Rohtak SP Narendra Bijarnia, but neither of them responded. On October 6th, an FIR was filed against PSO Sushil Kumar based on an extortion complaint filed by a liquor businessman. On October 7th, Puran Kumar's body was found. Assistant Sub-Inspector Sandeep Kumar Lathar, who was part of the team that arrested Puran Kumar's PSO, was found dead on Tuesday. Sandeep Lathar, who allegedly shot himself, also left a note with a similar title to that of Puran Kumar. He also left a video message. Lathar accused Puran Kumar of corruption and called for a probe into the IPS officer's family.
इसने अपने परिवार को सबको बचाने के लिए सुसाइड की है। ये बात नहीं है कि भाई इसके साथ अरे बड़ी बड़ी जांच चल रही है, आदमी की लुगाई भी जेड़ा मुंगी तो लुगाई तो ही बुरा था भाई है। इसकी घरवाली को भी डर है कहीं इसकी भी भ्रष्टाचार का भंडा ना फूट जाए। आयोग में बैठ के ने इनके घरवाले ने इसके फादर ने सब ने भ्रष्टाचार किया, इनकी भी जांच होनी चाहिए संपत्ति की भाई।
The 2 suicides have stoked caste divide in the state. A Dalit Panchayat held in Chandigarh issued a 48-hour ultimatum to the Chandigarh and Haryana governments demanding action against the 16 named in Kumar's suicide note. The Jat community, to which ASI Sandeep Lathar belongs, also held Khap Panchayat to decide their action plan. ASI Lathar's family has not handed over the body for autopsy.
जो भाई ये शहीद होया है, ये करप्शन के खिलाफ शहीद होया है। इसकी नीचे से जांच शुरू हो गई है, ऊपर तक जाए। इसमें दोषी कोई भी हो, चाहे पूर्ण सिंह हो, चाहे एम बिजानिया साहब हो, चाहे कोई भी हो, दूध का दूध पानी पानी हो जाना चाहिए।
Meanwhile, Haryana Chief Minister Nayab Singh Saini visited Lathar's home in Jind. Leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi had visited Puran Kumar's family on Tuesday. The death of the two police officers have blown the lid off the systematic rot within Haryana police force. With Kamaljit Sandhu, Bureau Report, India Today.
Twists and turns in the Haryana case.